Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to be imposter on Among Us game. So let's get started right away. Now, first of all, open up the Among Us game if you have already installed it, and you might be asked to log into your Google account if you haven't done so already. Just tap on the sign in button and proceed with logging into your Google account, and after logging in and setting up your date of birth, you will be taken into the main menu. Now from this page, you can tap on the play button to start a new game. Now from the game, just choose whichever kind of game you want to play, and then you might need to wait for other players to join your game. Now once you have started your game and your game has begun, you have the option to become an imposter. Now from the cafeteria, just walk onto the PC and then tap on the customize option. From the customize menu, you will find the beimposter.exe file, which is the red file. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you will find the sabotage option. After you become an imposter, you can continue to play the game, and you are now the character who is tasked to kill everyone. And there you have it. That is how you can go about if you want to be an imposter within the Among Us game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.